Previously on Sailing Aquarius.
Wow.
It's never been like that. So we're getting 50 knots in the marina. I know I don't look great, but we're gonna go walk around and see what it looks like at 50 knots.
Finally, after crossing Suez Canal and wintering out in Crete Island, Greece, we are ready to leave for a new sailing season in the Mediterranean Sea. Meanwhile, we fixed our engine and we could not be happier with the outcome. Wow!
That's 1800?
She's purring.
That's actually, yeah, 1800. And it's just purring. Pretty nice. Now it's time to start moving. Actually, it's a little bit before it's time to start moving, but we'll start moving now. And we're going to be heading up the coast of Turkey.
But before we reach Turkish coast, we still gonna make couple stops in Greece. And we are moving! Yay!
Under engine.
So how's your first day of sailing?
I haven't got my sea legs yet. I'm not feeling great, but neither's my wife.
I'm not feeling my best either. We don't have sailor legs yet. And it's pretty rolly and as you can see. So it's a bit rolly.
But at least we're sailing.
That is so true.
We're sailing.
You look a little bit cold.
Yeah, it is a little bit chilly. I'd rather be really warm than a little bit cold.
The wind is coming right behind us. So yeah, it is chilly. And this is the island that we are going around. You can see the lighthouse at the very tip.
The east end of Crete. And we're going to be heading through the channel to the next island east, heading to Rhodes, however you pronounce it.
How's it going?
Big ass waves coming through.
What else? What's happening?
And dolphins. Oh, that was cool. They just came by to say hi.
That was nice. Made me very happy. We sailed about 50 nautical miles from Crete, Greece, into Kasos Island and tucked ourselves into this little bay. We arrived at pitch dark.
So, what time is it?
9:45 we arrived p.m.
And pitch black out there. Came into an anchorage we've never been in before. How was that?
Well, we have overlays, we have radar, now is put down, we have radar, we have echo sounder, and the overlays and maps. So, and there were comments, at least 4, that it's a good anchorage, very good holding, even in 25 knots.
We got 20 knots right now.
And we are anchored right in the middle. So this is how it looks.
So we're anchored right next to one of the anchors. All right, good. I think we'll be okay. You can see how pitch black it is though. There ain't nothing out there. Well, good morning. We've made some coffee. But this is the first anchorage. We just came in late last night. You can see it's a bit windy. We're going to be taking off here soon. But here you go. The first anchorage in Greece. And we came in late last night, kind of dangerous. There's a reef over in this area here according to the maps. I'm not sure how deep it is, but we have a forward-looking sonar and we had overlays, so it made it a lot nicer. But yeah, this is where you end up in the middle of the night and you don't even know where you are until the next morning. But we get up at 7:30 a.m. and we are off to the races, going to Rhodes. But we're looking good. And it's got to be the anchor alarm.
All yours.
So we're trying to figure out where we're going to go next. Read a couple of those anchorages out from notes on Navionics.
Sandy anchorage, clear water, easy access to shore, nice panoramic view.
I think we should do that one right there.
8.6.
Let's see if we can...
9.2 for a second.
Yeah, but it's going to slow down to about 6, I think. Yeah, we only got 12 knots of wind.
But we have 3 sails. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's go look. That's nice.
Well, 6.5 to 8 knot. Pretty good. there's a rock out there and there's a wreck right next to it, and it doesn't show up, you know, on certain zooms on the chart. So you really have to be vigilant and watch. We're just off the coast of Rhodes right now, and man, I'll bet you boats hit that probably once a year. See it on the map?
But if you zoom out,
yeah, there's nothing there. What do you think about that?
a bit scary.
So we're doing between 8.5 or around 8 to 10. 8 to 10. Probably averaging about 8.5. Oh, there's 7.4, 7.5. Woohoo! We are moving. Pulled in our mizzen a little bit. Oh, what is that? That looks like a starling.
It scared me. I was like, what, another island?
We pulled in our mizzen a little bit so we wouldn't round up. So now we should be doing like, we'll probably get up to 10 here. Come on, baby. Oh no, you didn't even make 10?
So there is an island that we are trying to avoid. It looked like no matter what we do, we kept going on it, but now looks like we might be clear. What do you think, Captain? We okay?
I think we're good.
You
Good
like
job, Admiral.
You like a starling?
I'd love to see.
You glued.
Yeah, it's nice. Take it into the second reef. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. All right, stop there. How you doing, Admiral?
Good. About to take it into the anchorage.
You gonna do everything?
Yes, I will.
Radio.
We have our headsets ready. It doesn't seem like headsets are necessary, but it's so much easier. Like yesterday, we really needed them because it was very windy, completely dark, so we could scream our voices out and still wouldn't be able to understand.
Yes, headsets make a big difference.
Yeah. And we got a couple comments asking what kind of headsets we have. We have Holy Land. Those are the ones. We like them. No more self-made ones that were...
They were so hard to connect to each other. I like these because you just turn them on. But if you want our old headsets, you know, the first one that comes up to our boat and asks for them, they'll get them. We have a set. We'll show them. Give you a picture of them. What do you think?
Sure. But don't blame us if it's hard to use. That's why we switched from them.
Yeah, it looks like this anchorage is going to be a good anchorage.
So I know there are two bays. This one to the right looks way deeper, and there are looks like something like rocks. But this one looks very nice and smooth. It's too late, Kenny, too late. And I'm taking in the sail.
Okay, let me,
Can you help me?
Release. Take her in. If you want, I'll do it, but...
No. I'm all good.
Roger that.
Okay, you need to go untie the anchor. Get it ready.
Roger that. You're gonna put your headset on?
Yes.
All good. Yeah, I see 2 sailboats.
Wow, it's so... Do you see that castle?
Let's look. Oh, wow, that's nice. And what a nice view it is.
Tonight for dinner we have minced beef with onion and potatoes.
Ooh. Thank you. That looks really nice.
And red wine.
And red wine.
Wow, this is absolutely spectacular.
Strange brew is what we're used to. Get high on life, that's me and you. Run away to the sunset. Run away with the sky, love far behind. Strange brew is meant for me and you.
That was perfect season beginning. Tomorrow we take off from this beautiful anchorage and sail to Turkey. Next on Sailing Aquarius.
What a beautiful, beautiful day. So you can barely see Aquarius right there.
If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.
They said they came from Spain.